Hello everyone. So this will be the last video of this particular chapter, that is alcohols, phenols and ethers. And today, first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to do the mechanism of dehydration of alcohol. Okay, alcohol and hydration की kalau होता the mechanism है यो dehydration जब दो, but I will only do dehydration. Hydration is something that I want all of you to do by yourself. It's quite easy. Dehydration condition okay, just have a look at your NCRT and try to write it by yourself. Okay, so today I'm going to be covering the dehydration mechanism, and after that we have to solve as many questions as we can as usual. Okay, so let's start. So today we're going to learn, I think it's the 10th topic. Okay, no. Okay, 10th topic of this chapter. Mechanism. Mechanism of dehydration. Dehydration of alcohol. Okay, mechanism of dehydration of alcohol. So, if we write the general reaction, okay, the general reaction. If we write the general reaction, 먼저 가르쳐 볼때, alcohol signature, ethanol의 뭐지? ethanol이 dehydration condition. We have to react it with concentrated H2SO4, right? Which act as a dehydrating agent. Dilute lamp because dilute act as a hydrating agent. Also swap, and we have to heat it as well. Now, so what happens? The main product that we are getting will be ethene. Okay, the main product that we will be getting will be ethene along with water. Okay, along with water. So this is the basic reaction that we are going to talk about. Basic reaction that was so mechanism organization right now. Okay, when we talk about step 1. Okay, so the step 1 is nothing but protonation. Step 1 is protonation. Protonation means what? Addition of proton. Okay, so the proton H here. So you have to take the alcohol. Okay, now alcohol oxygen will have 2 lone pairs, right? Lone pair नहीं होना, बस an electron chick this side bonds होते हैं, but this side bonds होते हैं. So it has 2 lone pairs. So 2 lone pairs so what happens is this is an acid, right? H2SO4. So acid की लेवा it adds a proton. Acid की H plus acid की H plus ions. So what happens in the first step, the H plus ions that is released by the acid will get added to this particular alcohol. Okay, it will get added, or you can say react with this oxygen atom react. So what happens? You will get an first intermediate product, CH3, CH2O. Okay, O. So the H plus so coordination bond form the electron the hydrogen ion bond station and then like bond then electron this has a lone pair, and this will consist of a positive charge. Okay, so this is an intermediate. Okay, so this is an intermediate that you will get. Positive charge will shift to the oxygen atom in this manner. Go to one. That's step one. Step 2. Step 2 is formation of carbocation. Okay, so now carbocation will be formed through dehydration. That's the main step in your day. Okay, the intermediate that you got in the first step will, what will happen? Intermediate in the second step second step onto the reaction check. Okay, reversible reaction dating unstable. The giant intermediates are always unstable. Okay, intermediates are unstable. So sooner or later they will react in such a manner that new products are formed. So this side you get H2O. So what happens is water will be released. Okay, H2O. Now what we are left with, water we have to get rid of this positive charge. So positive charge rid of this carbon will act as a electron donor. Okay, this side electron donate because positive charge so this carbon, my friends, carbon next to oxygen will donate one electron to oxygen in this manner. And what will happen? This positive charge will be neutralized. Neutralized H2O ma but this tiny electron is carbon. Now this carbon will consist of positive charge. So what you will get is CH3 CH with a positive charge. Okay, so this is nothing but your carbocation. Okay, this is your carbocation. Okay, second step is this formation of carbocation, and in fact, this is the most important step because water is released in this second step. But don't forget that this reaction is in dynamic equilibrium. Now the third step. Now third step step 2. Step 2 is the third step. Step 3. Now third step is deprotonation. Okay, deprotonation. Now deprotonation means what? Removal of proton. Now proton also H plus and the proton H plus proton removal of proton. Okay, the last step is removal of proton. So removal of proton conjugate. Now the carbocation that you got in the second step, that is CH3 C branch H with positive charge will react further. Okay, and this will, my friends, will release CH2 double bond CH2, your main product, and H plus will be released. So this is your final step, that is deprotonation. Deprotonation, and in fact forward backward if we give it suitable condition. Okay, so design here. So these are the 3 steps which are involved in dehydration of ethanol. So hydration but what you have to do, this and there are concentrated H2SO dilute H2SO4 so these are the important steps of the particular reaction mechanism ki steps. Okay, now let us do some questions of this chapter. Okay, so first of all, we will do the MCQs. Okay, we have two MCQs on the blackboard right now. So I want all of you to solve the question first, and then I'll solve it. Okay, so I'll give you all 2 seconds. Okay, just pause the video and answer it. Okay, so I hope that you have written the answer by yourself. Okay, so let us solve it all together. Now in this question, that is question number 1, what it says, in the following sequence of reaction treated was CH3Br, KCl, A, B, C, forward to the end product C is. Now we have to find what the end product C is. Now, the example reaction martini can delay get another pair because in MCQ you don't have to waste a lot of time because in board exams you are getting only 1 mark. And even in the NEET exam, you don't have much time to solve the question, so it's quite important that you develop your skills in such a way that while looking at the question, you can have the answer. Means create the reactions in your own mind. But right now, since we are dealing with the chapter in detail, I'm going to write the reactions in detail. Okay? Tata. The reaction level, first of all, what we have is CH3Br. Okay, we have CH3Br. Now CH3Br reacts with KCl. Now CH3Br is an alkyl halide. Alkyl halide KCl reacts with nucleophilic substitution. Now even this also KCl in a CN jarure, and if it is AgCN, what happens? NC takes place. This enzyme because it is ionic in nature. Now nucleophilic substitution chale. Okay, nucleophilic substitution chale CH3CN will be your main product. And what will be the side product? That is KBr. 지난 시행사인과 시험보다 exam은 남사시는데 reagent on the upper side of arrow, and on the lower side of arrow you have to write the side products. Okay, now CH3CN is your product A. Now moving on to the next one, that is your CH3O plus, that is your hydronium ion. Hydronium ion and this is nothing but your hydrolysis. Okay, water is getting added in the presence of dilute H2SO4. So also the H2O plus H plus, which symbolizes acid. Now hydrolysis option B. Remember, whenever you do hydrolysis of CH3Cl, that is your complete hydrolysis. Complete now complete complete la CH3O. Incomplete la OH2 potential. Now since it is H3O plus, now it's complete hydrolysis. Now complete hydrolysis, what you get is your acid. Okay. Through complete hydrolysis, you will get acid. Okay, of this particular group, that is CN. Okay. Methyl cyanide. Cyanide group की hydrolysis china complete here. You will get acid. Okay, ethanoic acid will be your B product. Now we have to find the C product. Now C product let's say now C product what you have to do. Okay. Now C product you have to react it with LiAlH4 in the presence of ether, which is a medium. Now LiAlH4 is a strong reducing agent. Now strong reducing agent means when you reduce C3COOH by using a strong reducing agent, the end product that you will always get will be an alcohol consisting of 2 carbons, there are 2 dot each. Now your main product will be CH3, CH2OH. And this is your product C. Now C दिखाया तो ethanol ले. Do we have ethanol in the option? We do. But ethyl alcohol do. Ethyl alcohol ना ethanol ना. So your answer is option number D. कुछ उसका methane चाहिए माने acetone aldehyde, ketone चाहिए माने acetaldehyde is your aldehyde. Okay चाहिए माने बस LiAlH is a strong reducing agent. किसी तरह NaBH4 भेजता है ना, you will get acetaldehyde. Okay, but since we have a strong reducing agent, we will get alcohol as a main product. Which is okay. This was asked in AIPMT 2012. Now question number two. Question number two दिखा जाएगा. In the reaction, okay, the reaction the soft here. First of all, what we have CH3COOH, that is your ethanoic acid. Now what we have to do, we have to react ethanoic acid with strong reducing agent, that is LiAlH4. Now LiAlH4 will reduce this in the presence of ether, in the presence of ether, and reduce it to form alcohol, that is your ethanol. What's this one? Now ethanol is just one. Now ethanol is this is your product A. What's this one? Now when you do PCl5, okay, so PCl5 reaction. Okay, when you react it with PCl5, what happens? Alcohol, the PCl5 reaction, we are preparing haloalkane. Time of preparation of haloalkane. Now we are getting haloalkane CH3CH2Cl. What's this one? And side product POCl3 along with HCl will be your side product, but main product is CH3CH2Cl. This is your B product. What's this one? Now when you further react this with alcoholic KOH. Now alcoholic KOH reaction, what happens? This is your beta elimination reaction. Okay, beta. Okay, this is your beta elimination reaction. Now beta elimination we have to convert haloalkane into alkene. Now alkene na convert CH2 double bond CH2 alcoholic along with KCl plus KCl and water. Which is what this will be your product C. Now product C is an alkene. Acetylene there, acetyl chloride, acetylene, ethylene. D is your correct answer, because ethene also the ethylene. Which is what acetylene means what? CH3CO group. Okay, which is what? So your answer will be option number D. This is the reaction reference. Okay, now let's solve some more questions. Okay, so question number three. Let's see what's the question number 3 says. Okay. Now in this question, it says that which of the following will not be soluble in sodium bicarbonate. Okay, sodium bicarbonate and NaHCO3D nala soluble NaHCO3. Now NaHCO3 na soluble do attached to H2, it has oxygen, right? Now oxygen namdo hydrogen bonds to yakshisuna and the soluble chagi hode. And hydrogen bond masuna, okay? HB, H bond. Hydrogen bond do that. If hydrogen bond mena, it will not be soluble. Soluble chagi male. Okay, so the 2,4,6 dinitrophenol. 2,4,6 dinitrophenol dalwa. So 2,4,6 dinitrophenol na dile formula. Dela OH yore, dela NO2 yore, dela NO2 yore, dela NO2 yore. But this is soluble. The hydrogen check free dwa. Now this hydrogen free what will happen? It will form hydrogen bond with the oxygen. Oxygen will swim to there. So it is soluble. Okay, so this is not the answer. Benzoic acid is soluble. Okay, benzoic acid is soluble. In the benzoic acid you have free hydrogen. So it is soluble. Orthonitrophenol is not soluble. Okay, answer is C. No. hydrogen benzene sulfonic acid benzene You see SO3H then H so this is soluble. Now only orthonitrophenol is not soluble because orthonitrophenol nala intramolecular hydrogen bond unit. It consists of intermolecular hydrogen bond. 같이 orthonitrophenol structure एलियो Ortho position NO2 unit and now H na O phala hydrogen bond unit. Okay, so it forms intermolecular hydrogen bonds. Instead of forming bond with NaSCO3, kwa namalo bonds ratio. So hydrogen the tompa dwe free hydrogen dwe windwa. So that's why it is not soluble. Now fourth question, 38 2014 question, right? Now question number 4. Strongest acid among the following is. Now which of the following is the strongest acid? Now acid strong due to some phenol network. So phenol structure expression. Okay. Now dina yaposhinta na auto pera meta dita hakula auto meta pera. Now methoxy does hamala china china. Now what you have to know is methoxy, that is a OCH3 group, is auto pera directing. Jaipa auto pera directing na kachu electron ma donate chigde. Electron thinking mother electron ma donate chigde. Electron donate china. What will happen? Del OCH3 na it will donate electron on the benzene ring. Now if it donates the electron, what happens is OH group electron density per dure. Now electron density increased chana, it is very difficult to remove the hydrogen. So that's why methoxy yo acidity no that's why. Okay, hydrogen acidity very depends easiness to lose hydrogen atoms, or sorry, ions. Now hydrogen ions reaction phenol the more dispersed electrons are, electron 가족이 카토드나 딩엄스키 acidic strength 파기 오래 electrons 가족이 사실은 찌가 accumulate 차류나 딩엄스키 acidity 차류에 basicity 파류에. So the answer is option number D, AIMS 2013 question. Now question number 5, JMA 2013. Arrange the compounds in order of decreasing acidity. Now the decreasing acidity is not a shell. Now here what you have to know, auto para directing into meta directing into the now the OH common way. Now the acidity will depend on the substituent that is attached. Now substituent Cl do then CH3 then NO2 then OCH3. Now auto para directing is there. You can see only NO2 is meta directing. Shemadini OCH3 auto para directing, Cl auto para directing, OCH3 auto para directing. That means CH3 and OCH3 will donate electron towards the benzene ring. Now since electron donates electron such so acidity chalu. Only NO2 is the meta directing, and in fact the strongest meta directing substituent in organic chemistry. Now NO2 you can auto para directing auto position para position auto position electron tuning. Okay, such that metal electron mass. Okay, so meta directing in the sense what happens? NO2 meta directing NO2 withdraws electrons from auto and para directing. Then partition auto the para. So electron nation what will happen? Electron sunation what will happen? What will happen? Such electron sunation what will happen? The electron dispersed now electron dispersed acidic strength okay, electron dispersed acidic strength accumulate so acidic strength so the strongest acid is third one is strongest. The third one is the strongest. Second is first. So answer is D. So dinner cancer check whether auto directing meta directing. Now the sixth one and the last question of today's lecture. Okay, so which of the following reagents may be used to distinguish between phenol and benzoic acid? Now phenol is a benzene ring OH. Benzene ring with OH and benzoic acid. Now benzoic acid is benzene ring COOH. Then you call it distinguished conjugate. Now, what the Molish test? Why? Molish test is carbohydrate test. Also, so carbohydrate so get a sheet so carbohydrate test. This is not the answer. Okay, deep now tolerance reagent test because tolerance reagent test is used to distinguish between aldehyde and ketone. Okay, that tolerance reagent um tolerance reagent Ag NH3 to okay, this is your tolerance reagent AgNH3 twice square bracket Cl. This is a coordination compound which is used to distinguish between aldehydes and ketones. So this is not the answer. And the NaOH because NaOH reacts with both phenol as well as benzoic acid. But NaOH there are alcohol can be distinguished too because NaOH does not react with alcohol, it reacts with phenol because it is more acidic. So that is FeCl3, which is your answer. FeCl3 we have studied that in our previous lectures. Lectures and also the FeCl3, which is used to distinguish between phenol and alcohol. Phenol and alcohol. Because when we react C6H5 OH, C6H5OH with FeCl3. Okay, FeCl3 reaction, C6H5OH with FeCl3. What happens is you will get C6H5O thrice Fe. You will get a coordination compound which is a violet bluish PPT. Along with release of HCl. Only phenol reacts with FeCl3 to form a coordination complex. Okay, so this is the reaction that we are going to we have talked about and we are going to solve that in this question. Okay, neutral FeCl3 today. So that's all for today's lectures, and we are done with the chapter called alcohol, phenols, and ether. In the next video, I'm going to be sharing about the books that I used for my NEET UG preparation and also my board exams, so that all of you will get a small information about how to do time management and which books you can refer, but not necessary because every student is unique and they have their own likings. Okay, that's why. So in the next video we're going to be talking about that. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and study hard and stay safe.